So the following task, I have some vocabulary items, some words. I want to see what ideas do you have. How would you teach these if you were the teacher now? And these are the vocabulary items that you're going to teach. How would you start your lesson and how would you end it? What steps will you do? For example, I will enter the classroom, like write it in bullet points. I'll enter the classroom, I'll write the words on the board, I'll ask the students to repeat after me. Okay, so write down your own technique. How would you teach these vocabulary items? So take 5 minutes, brainstorm your ideas and write me some steps. I want them to be in bullet points. Do this alone, okay? I want to see your individual ideas. These are drafts. الورق ده دشت، مش محتاجين تكتبوا على الصفحة دي حاجة، أنا اكتبوا على الظهر، okay? Easy? Good. So are you writing the vocabulary? Are you writing the steps to teach this vocabulary?
Yes.
Good. How many minutes do you have again?
5.
Good. Are you working together?
No.
Good.